In today's fast-paced world, managing finances effectively is more crucial than ever. Many people find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet, and often feeling overwhelmed by their financial situation. However, by maximizing savings right after receiving a paycheck, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more secure future. This routine not only helps you build a safety net, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions that can lead to long-term stability. Imagine a life where you no longer worry about unexpected expenses or the next paycheck. By implementing smart saving strategies, you can break free from the cycle of financial stress. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and techniques that will help you prioritize savings even when funds seem tight. From setting up automatic transfers to creating a budget that works for you, we'll guide you through the steps to transform your financial habits. So, if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a brighter financial future, stay tuned for some valuable insights that will empower you to take charge of your money. Step 1. Review your budget. The first step in maximizing your savings after receiving a paycheck is to thoroughly review your budget. Understanding your current financial situation is essential for making informed decisions. Start by identifying your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. These are costs that remain relatively constant each month. Next, take a close look at your variable expenses, which can fluctuate, like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. By tracking where your money goes, you can gain valuable insights into your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, it's time to adjust your budget based on any changes in your income or expenses. Perhaps you've received a raise or faced unexpected costs. Updating your budget accordingly will help you stay on track. Additionally, ensure that your budget aligns with your savings goals. Set aside a specific percentage of your income for savings each month and treat it like a non-negotiable expense. This proactive approach will not only help you build your savings, but also create a sense of financial security. By reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances and achieve your savings objectives. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Once you've reviewed your budget, the next crucial step is to pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings by setting aside a portion of your paycheck immediately after you receive it. Start by determining a percentage of your income that you can comfortably save each month. Whether it's 10%, 15%, or even 20%, choose an amount that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. To make this process even easier, consider automating transfers to a dedicated savings account. By setting up automatic transfers right after your paycheck is deposited, you eliminate the temptation to spend that money before saving it. This way, you ensure that your savings grow consistently without requiring constant effort or willpower. It's essential to treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Just as you wouldn't skip paying your rent or utility bills, make saving a priority in your financial routine. By adopting this mindset, you'll cultivate a habit of saving that can lead to greater financial security and peace of mind. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow, helping you achieve your financial goals faster. So, make paying yourself first a fundamental part of your financial strategy. Step 3. Set savings goals. Establishing clear and achievable savings goals is a vital step in your journey to financial stability. By defining both short-term and long-term savings objectives, you create a roadmap that keeps you motivated and focused. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, while long-term goals could involve saving for a home or retirement. To make your goals more effective, use specific amounts and timelines to track your progress. For example, instead of saying you want to save money, set a goal to save $5,000 for a down payment within the next year. This specificity not only clarifies your target, but also makes it easier to measure your success along the way. Visualization is another powerful tool to stay motivated. Create a vision board or use digital apps to represent your goals visually. Whether it's images of your dream home or a vacation destination, having a visual reminder can inspire you to stay committed to your savings plan. By setting clear goals, tracking your progress, and visualizing your dreams, you'll find the motivation to stick to your savings routine and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Step: pay off debt. Focusing on reducing high-interest debt is a crucial step in maximizing your savings potential. Start by listing all your debts, including credit cards, personal loans, and any other obligations. Once you have a comprehensive list, prioritize them based on interest rates. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, should be tackled first, as they can significantly drain your finances over time. Consider using either the snowball or avalanche method for repayment. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation, while the avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you more money in the long run. Choose the strategy that resonates with you and fits your financial situation. Additionally, allocate any extra funds from your paycheck towards debt reduction. This could be money saved from budgeting, bonuses, or even side hustle income. By directing these extra funds toward your debt, you'll not only reduce your overall balance faster, but also free up more money for savings in the future. As you pay off debts, you'll experience a sense of relief and empowerment, allowing you to focus more on building your savings and achieving your financial goals. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Creating an emergency fund is a vital step in establishing a financial safety net that can help you navigate unexpected expenses without added stress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount provides a cushion for situations like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, ensuring you're prepared for life's surprises. To make your emergency fund effective, keep it in a separate, easily accessible account. This way, you can quickly access the funds when needed without the temptation to dip into it for non-emergencies. Consider using a high-yield savings account to earn some interest while keeping your money liquid. Contributing regularly to your emergency fund is essential for building this financial buffer over time. Treat it like a monthly bill by setting aside a specific amount from each paycheck. Even small contributions can add up significantly over time, helping you reach your goal faster. By prioritizing your emergency fund, you'll not only reduce financial stress, but also gain peace of mind, knowing you have a safety net in place. This proactive approach allows you to focus on your savings goals and enjoy life without the constant worry of unexpected expenses. Step 6. Invest for the future. Investing a portion of your paycheck is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Once you've established a solid savings foundation, it's time to consider various investment options that can help your money work for you. Research different avenues such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to find what aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Each option has its own potential for returns and risks, so understanding these can help you make informed decisions. Starting with a retirement account, like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA, is a smart move. These accounts often come with tax advantages and employer matching contributions, which can significantly boost your savings. By contributing regularly to these accounts, you set yourself up for a more secure retirement. Additionally, diversifying your investments is crucial to minimizing risk. Instead of putting all your money into one type of investment, spread it across different asset classes. This strategy can help protect your portfolio from market volatility and enhance your chances of achieving steady growth. By taking these steps to invest for the future, you'll be on your way to building long-term wealth and financial independence. In summary, maximizing your savings after receiving a paycheck involves a series of strategic steps that can significantly improve your financial health. Start by reviewing your budget to understand your expenses, then prioritize savings by paying yourself first. Set clear savings goals to keep you motivated and focus on paying off high-interest debt to free up more funds for savings. Building an emergency fund is essential for financial security, and investing a portion of your paycheck will help grow your wealth over time. Implementing these steps not only empowers you to take control of your finances, but also sets you on a path toward achieving your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial stability begins with small, consistent actions. So, take the initiative today to put these strategies into practice and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these strategies.